If I told you that your money could grow, move, and even work for you without you lifting a finger, would you believe it? Welcome to the world of modern finance, where technology is changing the way we save, invest, and build wealth. Today, let's explore the biggest advances in finance that are shaping the future of money. 1. Digital banking and mobile payments. Remember the time when banking meant standing in long lines and waiting for checks to clear? Those days are gone now. With digital banking and apps like PayPal, Venmo, and Apple Pay, sending or receiving money takes just seconds. This advance has not only made banking faster, but also more accessible for millions who never had a bank account before. 2. Artificial intelligence in finance. Imagine an assistant that never sleeps, never gets tired, and analyzes millions of transactions every second. That's exactly what artificial intelligence does for finance. AI helps banks detect fraud instantly, recommends smart investments, and even powers robo-advisors that guide beginners on how to invest safely. It's like having a personal financial coach, available 24/7. 3. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. One of the most exciting advances in finance is blockchain. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger, where every transaction is transparent, secure, and can't be changed. This technology powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it's also being used for smart contracts, supply chain tracking, and cross-border payments. The best part? Transactions that once took days can now be done in minutes, with lower fees. 4. Fintech apps and tools. Managing money used to be complicated, but now, with fintech apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Mint, anyone can start investing or budgeting with just a few taps. These apps break down barriers, making finance simple, fun, and even automated. For example, Acorns invests your spare change automatically, while budgeting apps track your spending without effort. 5. The rise of decentralized finance, DeFi. And here's something that could redefine the future: decentralized finance, or DeFi. It's a system built on blockchain where you can lend, borrow, or trade without traditional banks. DeFi gives more power to individuals and creates opportunities that were once only available to big institutions. Conclusion: from digital banks to AI-powered advisors, from blockchain to DeFi, these advances are transforming finance faster than ever before. And the question is, will you adapt to the future of money or stay stuck in the past? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to learn about the future of finance. And stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll break down how you can take advantage of these new tools to grow your wealth smarter and faster.